BF7 कोविडाच्या फाटभुंयेर लोकांनी कोरोना महामारी आडचे नेम पाळचे अशें आवाहन गोंय वैजकी म्हाविद्यालयाचे डीन डॉ. शिवानंद बांदेकर हाणें केलां. सध्या लग्नां, वेगवेगळ्यो धार्मीक कार्यावळी, नवे वर्साच्यो पार्ट्यो आनी हेर पर्यटनाच्यो कार्यावळी राज्यांत सुरू जाल्यात. ह्या सगळ्या भौशीक सुवातींचेर हाजेरी लायतना लोक मास्क घालिना, तशेंच हेर नेम पाळिना अशें जायत्या वेळार दिसून आयलां असो हुस्को ताणें व्यक्त केला.
We have given all our preparedness charts to the government because BF7 is supposed to be little highly infective, which is now circulating in every country. आता सध्या तुम्ही पळयल्यार लोकांक कोणूच मास्क वापरिना आनी लग्नाय भरपूर चल्ल्यात. तुम्ही तरी जाणा कितली लग्नां चालू आसात ती, कितलीशीच पार्टीज चालू आसा. So people right now they feel that they are out of all this, but somewhere if somebody reminds you Baba, in China cases are increasing, we should not remain negligent. We should always take precautions. कळ्ळें न्ही तुमकां. आता हे सगळे फेस्टिवल्स आनी हे चालूच आसा पळयलें न्ही. आता न्यू इयराक सुद्दां तुमकां एज ही सेड लॉट ऑफ इनफ्लो ऑफ टुरिस्ट विल बी देर, बट वी से दॅट इट इज एडवायजेबल to wear a mask when you go in a crowded place for your personal protection. We are not saying it is that it will come. So best thing is when you go to crowded place you should wear your mask for personal protection.
गोमेकोन पयलीच फावट एओर्टीक एन्युरिझम ही सर्जरी करून एका गंभीर दुयेंतीचो जीव वाचयला अशी माहिती गोंय वैजकी म्हाविद्यालयाचे डीन डॉ. शिवानंद बांदेकर हांणी दिली. ह्या सर्जरी खातीर सरकारान 12 लाख रुपया खर्च केल्यात. रेडिओलॉजी विभागा वरवीं हें ऑपरेशन जालां. हो विभाग आतां कायमचो कार्यरत रावतलो अशी माहिती डीनान दिल्या.
3 days back, Goa Medical College performed an closed technique treatment of aortic aneurysm in the department of radiology under the unit called as interventional radiology, and we have put a stent for this aortic aneurysm. So this interventional radiology is the unit of radiology in Goa Medical College which does some of the most complex cases of aortic aneurysm. So this patient was about 64-year-old male patient who had a huge aortic aneurysm in the abdominal region, and it was difficult to do an open surgery on this patient. So he was treated by Dr. Pawan Kumar, who is our interventional radiologist, with the help of stents. These stents are very costly. It has costed government almost 12 lakhs, but patient's life is saved and he is discharged today completely normal and healthy. The Department of Radiology has taken initiative to start this unit under Dr. Sanjay Sardesai, who is professor and head of radiology.